So this week we're down here in Tifton, Georgia, working with the University of Georgia on cotton, as you can see. Looking at everything from cotton losses to debris in the field. I never really realized that millions of dollars is spent every year trying to minimize debris in cotton. Shopping bags, grocery bags, plastic, things like that get caught up out in these fields, and they find their way to the gin and they contaminate cotton with all these impurities. And even where there is contamination, they could get mixed in with cotton that's not contaminated at the gin. And so there's a lot of money spent on trying to correct that and keep that from happening. We think we can do something about it here at the field by recognizing plastic, balloons, shopping bags, things like that in front of the header before it ever picks it up. But something new, trying to expand our crop base and the things that we build AI models for, and the things that we can solve for, and hopefully add value. A lot of good feedback coming in with corn and soybean growers. We had some people, unprovoked by us, they just Twitter thread praising that they made adjustments on their machine, right? And it saved them money. It retained more soybeans, especially out the rear. Had some calls with some issues as well. Not gonna lie, not gonna hide it. We're not perfect. We need to work on our corn models a little bit, and we made some improvements mid-season to our soybean header models. But there's always work to be done. We're not perfect, and it's a hard space to be in. But working on some hardware as well, some hardware replacements. Some things that we recognize this season about how big the farm book is in the cab and the power that's required, and how we can streamline that and make that smaller. But in the process of doing that, we also filmed with Epifio our brand launch video, which is coming out probably in a couple weeks here. Really excited for that. We grew our team, added 3 new engineers a week ago, and Chris Chan, who's heading up our product development. We're looking to continue to even expand a little bit more, but it's stuff like this that we love, right? Out here with different universities or co-ops or people that we get out into the field to how to solve these problems. And they don't happen overnight, and we're not perfect, but we're putting everything we've got behind it. And the most thing is that people are seeing value. And when we see value, we've got something, right? It's not just about adopting technology for the sake of adopting some new widget. It's adding real value. We want to make sure that we continuously do that. But that's it. Live from Tifton. Talk to you soon.